Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question, and this one was another one that's submitted from our Facebook group. If you aren't a member of our Facebook group, there's a link in the description. I do highly suggest you join our community. We have some great things going on. Everyone's super helpful there, and occasionally I take your questions from there and I use them right here in my daily practice exam questions. So, go in there, join, and that's my shameless plug for today. However, let's jump into the question. The owner of a condominium unit learns that a neighbor has failed to pay his real estate taxes. If this neighbor does not pay the taxes, a lien can be filed against all the common areas of the condominium. B, the taxing authority can order the condominium to be dissolved. C, a lien can be filed against a condominium, including all the units. D, a lien can be filed against the neighbor's unit and his percentage of the common elements. So, something that I always am, I err on the side of caution when it comes to seeing certain words like all, always, never, right? So here's what I'm going to tell you. When I read these questions, I'm always super cognizant of those keywords. And here's the thing, this is a reading comprehension test, so you should be focusing in on some of those keywords, on some of those key things going on. So very, very important for you to take a look at this and see what the haps is, what's going on, and really dive into the answers and try to get an understanding of them before you jump to a conclusion. So let's look at A. A lien can be filed against all the common areas of the condominium. No, that does not make sense because here's the thing. The common areas of the condominium are not going to be impacted because this is the ad valorem general real estate taxes of, and actually I'm assuming that this is the general real estate taxes of that unit, okay? So, let's look at this one. The taxing authority can order the condominium to be dissolved. No, the IRS has no authority to do that. That would be a lot of ramifications that would happen there. So now we're left with C and D. So C, a lien can be filed against a condominium, including all the units. No, they are going to each be taxed individually. So C would not be something that would happen. It would be D. A lien can be filed against the neighbor's unit who is delinquent in the tax payment and his percentage of the common elements. So if he is deeded, 3% interest of the common elements, that is where the lien would go against. So it would go against basically his ownership, that particular, just that. So every other condominium, every other unit is not going to be affected. Just like if your neighbor down the street doesn't pay their real estate taxes. The only difference in a condominium is that you have common elements that everyone shares an interest in. Okay, that's the only difference. So you're talking it's the same impact that if your neighbor didn't pay the taxes down the street, so a lien will be filed against them and their percentage of the common elements. That's the only difference in a condominium. So, guys, I hope you like that one. Again, join the Facebook community. Links in the description below. And if you like what we're doing, like button, smash it, smash it, smash it. And also subscribe and tell your friends and family if anyone's looking to get their real estate license across the country. We are looking to help them out. So tell them to jump on board too. So guys, I'm going to see you real soon.